ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ एकनिमिषः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास षट्पञ्चाशत् 56। आभाजी कृपया पठतु शब्दानि।
अभ्यास 56 क फेनिल फेनिलः मीर फे कहना है ना। फेनिलः साबुन, दर्पणः शीशा, सो मिरर, अलंकार।
Sorry, my Wi-Fi is a bit up and down. You are correct. Darpan, Shisha, mirror और आदर्शः। हाँ, अग्रे।
दर्पण, मिरर, अलंकारः, आभूषण, jewelry. That is the word I can think of in English.
Correct.
हारः, मोती की माला, a pearl necklace. कर्णपूरः, कानफूल, the earrings. नूपुरः, पायजेब, anklets. मेखला, कमर में जो पहनते हैं, कमर पट्टा।
करेक्ट, कमर। बट बिफोर दैट फेनिलः टू नूपुरः पुल्लिंग, मेखला स्त्रीलिंग, मेखला प्रसाधनी वेणिका स्त्रीलिंग।
प्रसाधनी कंघी, कोम, वेणिका वेणी, चोटी जिसको कहते हैं हिंदी में, आई थिंक इट्स कॉल्ड प्लेट और समथिंग इन इंग्लिश। सिंदूरम, सिंदूर, vermilion or something like that.
You have to tell me. I guess.
Anjan. Yeah. I mean, मुझे this is going hazy. आपका इंटरनेट बंद से है ना? Let me open my copy. All right. सिंदूरम, सिंदूर, वर्मिलियन, अंजनम, काजल, आईलाइनर जो आंख में लगाते हैं, गंध तैलम, इत्र, परफ्यूम, तिलकम, तिलक जो माथे में लगाया जाता है, अंगुलियम, अंगूठी, फिंगरिंग, केयूरम, बाजूबंद, something that is worn on the arms, ग्रैवेयकम, हंसली, हंसुली, गले में पहना जाता है. It's a little bit different to mala. It is tight around the griva. Kundalam, कान की बाली, again similar to karnapula. There is a slight difference. Kundalam is जो थोड़ा सा लटकता है, the one that is hanging but worn in the ears.
And bigger.
Kankanam,
hoop earrings.
हाँ, bigger. Okay. Kankanam, which is चूड़ी,
bangle, bracelet,
हाथ में पहनते हैं. Bangle bracelet. Okay, I struggle with English names for all these. I'm not used to.
Me too. Aham api.
You are not used to at all, and I'm not used to English words for these. Slight difference. Kantha bharanam. Kantha, again something that is worn in the neck. Nasa bharanam. Nasa bharanam bulak. I think nose pin, nose ring.
Nose.
Something that is a decorative for nose is nasa bharanam. Kha पढ़ना है?
हाँ जी.
ख ग्रह. ग्रह मतलब लेना, to take. संग्रह, संग्रह करना, to hold, to collect. अनुग्रह, अनुग्रह करना. Is it to grace somebody?
Yes, to grace or bless. And these three are part of Kriyadigana. Kriyadigana dhatavaha. Dhatu. Kriyadigana dhatu is graha, and sam and anu upasarga is given. Gha.
सौभाग्यवती, सौभाग्यवती, sadhva pati yukta. So a married woman whose husband is still alive. Vidhva, whose husband is no more. Widow.
Widow. Satyam.
First one is married woman, second one is widow.
Dhanyavadaha. Should I change my Wi-Fi? Is it very bad or is it passable?
It's okay.
Okay. If it gets worse, let me know. अस्तु अग्रे अद्यतन धातु अस्ति ग्रह धातु सूचना अच्छा सूचना फेनिल नूपुर रामवत पुल्लिंग ग्रह अनुग्रह ग्रह के तुल्य दे आर ऑल ग्रह धातु ओनली लाइक द सेम धातु ग्रह पृष्ठ क्रमांक 183 सुंदर जी कृपया पठतु
183 Lot, sorry, lut. Grihnati, grihnitah, grihnanti, grihnasi, grihnitah, grihnita, grihnami, grihnivah, grihnivah.
लट आत्मनेपद
आत्मनेपद लट गृह्णीते गृह्णाते गृह्णते गृह्णीषे गृह्णाथे गृह्णीत्वे गृह्णे गृह्णीवहे गृह्णीमहे लोट परस्मैपद गृह्णातु गृह्णीतां गृह्णन्तु गृहाण गृह्णीतं गृह्णीत गृह्णानि गृह्णाव गृह्णाम आत्मनिपद गृह्णीतां गृह्णातां गृह्णतां गृह्णीष्व गृह्णाथां गृह्णीत्वं गृह्णै गृह्णावहै गृह्णावहै लंग लकार अगृह्णात् अगृह्णीताम् अगृह्णन् अगृह्णाः अगृह्णीतम् अगृह्णीत अगृह्णा अगृह्णावः अगृह्णाव अगृह्णीव अगृह्णीव आत्मनेपद अगृह्णीत अगृह्णताम्
अगृह्णाताम्
अगृह्णत अगृह्णीताः अगृह्णाताम् अगृह्णीत्वम् अगृह्णहि अगृह्णहि
अगृह्णी
अगृह्णी अगृह्णी अगृह्णीवहि अगृह्णीमहि tongue twisters विधिलिंग गृह्णीयात् गृह्णीयातां गृह्णीयातां गृह्णीयुः गृह्णीयाः गृह्णीयाः गृह्णीयातं गृह्णीयात गृह्णीयां गृह्णीयाव गृह्णीयाम विधिलिंग आत्मनिपद गृह्णीत गृह्णीयातां गृह्णीरन् गृह्णीताः गृह्णीयातां गृह्णीत्वं गृह्णीय गृह्णीमहि गृह्णीमहि.
Samyak, Sundarji. Well done. And one basic question. So, lit lakara, samyak, lat lot lang vidhiling. Lit lakare grahishyati, grahishyatah, grahishyanti. And this become grahishyasi, grahishyatah, grahishyatah. Grahishyami, grahishyava, grahishyamah. And grahishyate, grahishyete, grahishyante. Grahishyete, grahishyase, grahishyethe, grahishyadve, grahishye, grahishyavahe, grahishyamahe. किन्तु एक प्रश्न अस्ति. ग्रह धातु धातु अस्ति ग्रह ग्रह लट् लकारे प्रथम पुरुषे एकवचन अस्ति गृह गृह्णाति ग्रह टु गृह्णाति. किमर्थम् और कथम्? ग्रह has become गृह.
Has been added.
So that is graha. The ra is becoming ru, grhnati. Why? And only for only for lat, lot, lang, vidhiling. Because when you come back to rit, it will come back to graha again, not gruha.
Yeah.
And karya is happening. Kasmin karya asti? Like guna, vriddhi, like that, there is one karya. Sort of like that. Okay, another example. Vad dhatu will become, vach dhatu will become uktaha.
Yeah, that is our samprasaran.
Same thing here also. Samprasaranam is happening. Graha to gruha. That one sutra is there, the long sutra.
Yeah.
One of the long. Grahijya.
Grahijya, correct.
So that grahi first. Grahi dhatu. Grah dhatu mein samprasarana happens. So that samprasarana sutra has grahi. Grahijya vaivyadi vrishti vichati vrishchati prichati bhrujati nam iti cha. That graha is this one.
Very good. Today in Bhagavad Gita, paprichati came.
Papricha.
Papricha.
Even in Prashna, etc., papracha comes. Papricha. So that grah dhatu has become grihnati through samprasaranam.
Yeah.
But only for the four lakaras. Lat, lot, lang, vidhili. Lut lakara, grahita, grahitara, grahitara, grahita, grahitara, grahitara. Ashiling, grihyat, grihyastam, grihyasuhu. Or grahishishta, grahishiyastam, grahishtuhu. Ling lakara, agrahishyat, agrahishyatam, agrahishyam. Or agrahishyata, agrahishyatam, agrahishyata. But lit lakara is common. Jagraha, jagrihatuhu, jagruhuhu. Jagrahitha, jagrihatuhu, jagraha, jagraha अथवा जग्रह, जगृहिव, जगृहिम. lit lakara आत्मनेपद जगृहे, जगृहाते, जगृहिरे, जगृहिषे, जगृहाते, जगृहिद्वे, जगृहे, जगृहिवहे, जगृहिमहे. And finally lung. So you see the main samprasaranam is happening for four lakaras that we have seen earlier also. लुंग लकार परस्मै पद अग्रहीत, अग्रहीष्टाम, अग्रहीषुः, अग्रहीहि, अग्रहीष्टम, अग्रहीष्ट, अग्रहीशम, अग्रहीष्व, अग्रहीष्म. लुंग लकार आत्मनेपद अग्रहीष्ट, अग्रहीषाताम, अग्रहीषत, अग्रहीष्टाः, अग्रहीषाताम, अग्रहीध्वम, अग्रहीषि, अग्रहीष्वहि, अग्रहीष्महि.
But this samprasaran is also happening in lit, in Madhyama Purusha, no.
Madhyama Purusha Dvivachana.
Dvivachana and Bahuvachana.
Gra to gru is happening.
Yeah.
But generally these four are a team.
Yeah. I can see that. The A team they are.
Sarva dhatuka and Ardha dhatuka. That is a lakara difference.
Yes.
Anyway, so like graha dhatu, there will be other dhatus also. What they have given, sangraha. So sangraha, anugraha. Same, this will also be, for example, if we want to say Rama blessed Hanumanji, how to say? In which lakara first should we use, and or
We
can
have to
we
use
use?
lung, because blessed.
Lung is okay. Otherwise, there is another option.
Other option is yeah, we have to get this one right.
The other option is, any other guesses?
Is it lung?
No. Lung will be for ma. Don't do it.
Ma, correct. Yeah, don't do it, so it won't go there.
Lit. Parokshe lit. Parokshe lit is the sutra.
Parokshe lit.
Because
Parokshe lit.
वो हुआ, मैंने देखा, like it is paroksha to me. It happened. Parokshe lit. I didn't see it. So there. So now, how do we make the sentence?
So we have to say Ramaha. We said Rama blessed Hanumanji. Is that what we said? So,
Anjaneya. Because we saw Anjana, Anjaneya we can say.
Okay. So Ram,
Jagraha.
Ah, correct.
Jagraha.
Chagraha. Samyak.
Ramaha Anjaneyam.
Anjaneyam.
Anjaneyam. Jagraha.
Jagraha. Or agrihnat is okay, but Jagraha is with lit is very good. And Nishtha Pratyaya also we can use in Bhutaka. But this is good. Jagraha is correct. Is good. Agre. Vyakarana. Grahadhatu. Then Tva, Ta, Shyai, Imanich. 4 or 5 pratyas will come today. They are giving 3 here, but we'll have some more also that we can see. Prathama 5.1.115 Tena tulyam kriyached vatihi. This is for vati pratyaya. Earlier we have seen vatup pratyaya.
Matup, yeah, with Matup.
Matup ke saath, in the beginning we saw vatup also. They had just given some 2 words of vatup. Here it is vati. Vatup is given, or matup, whatever. Matup pratyaya comes in the sense of possession. Like dhiman, shriman, or buddhiman. Buddhiman, one who has good buddhi. Sad buddhiman, one who has good buddhi. Possession. Vati pratyaya comes in similarity or likeness. But likeness of kriya. Tena tulyam kriya ched vatihi. Not exactly kriya. In that sentence there will be kriya. Jaise, okay, we'll see the example. Tulya ya sadrisha. The sadrisha will come to. After seeing tulya, we'll go to sadrisha. तुल्य या सदृश अर्थ को बताने के लिए शब्द के बाद वत प्रत्यय लगता है. जैसे ब्राह्मण के तुल्य ब्राह्मण. हाँ,
Like a simile?
Like a simile, yeah, correct. Yeah, you can say simile, I guess. Yeah, like Brahmana. That is Brahmanavat, but it is not as indirect as a simile. It is quite direct only. Like here, Brahmanavat Adhite, because they have said Brahmanavat, or Ramavat, Ramavat Sadbuddhi, Sadbuddhiman Asti, Sadbuddhiman Asti. That way also you can say. But here Brahmanavat Adhite. So Adhite here is the study. Study aspect is the Karya, Kriya. When there is a Kriya, this Vati Pratyaya will come. So just anywhere we cannot put, because simile will go anywhere, right? Here there is only, it comes when there is a Kriya. That is the specialty here. So it is not strictly speaking exactly a simile. It is sort of like one. Brahmanavat Adhite. इसी प्रकार क्षत्रियवत वैश्यवत शूद्रवत राम शब्द के तुल्य रामवत, भवती के तुल्य भवतीवत. हाँ, भवतीवत. Bhavativat also we can say like it is a good vat for there also. What they want to say is Tinganta Rupa can also have vat. Like Bhavativat Patati, you can say. That Shabda. But better is, and more common is Ramavat Brahmanavat. Okay, so Kriya is Tena Tulyam Kriya Ched Vatihi.
Sorry, the more common one is Ramavat.
Ramavat, Brahmanavat, these kinds of words are very common.
We have this in every lesson, right? ये शब्द रामवत चलेंगे.
हाँ, सत्यम, correct. यहाँ पे दिया ना ऊपर भी. Phenila to Nupura Ramavat, correct. Like that. That is Vatiprata.
In Brahma Sutra, this word Vat came with a couple of words which we interpreted as Iva.
Correct. So that is where we are coming to the next one.
Okay.
This Tatra, Tasya, Iva. With Sandhi Karya, this will become Tatra, Tasyeva. Tasya, Iva. So what point here they are making is, this is 51115. This is the immediate next sutra, 51116. Vati Pratyaya will also work when there is Iva, but Viva where? In Tatra and Tasya. Tatra like Saptami, location, and Tasya like relation. Tatra Tasya Iva, Usme and Uske, or Isme and Iske, like that. Tatra Tasyaiva. So there also you can use the word Vat to refer to Iva, like. Tena Tulyam Kriya Ched Vatihi and Tatra Tasyaiva. Both of these sutras are for Vati Pratyaya.
In Hanuman Chalisa, Bhagavan Shri Ram, Tulsidas ji likens Hanuman ji to Bharat.
Bhai, Mama Priyat. Sama Priyatama.
Bharata Sama Bhai.
Bharata Sama Bhai.
So there, like that also, that is our relationship.
That is a relationship, you can say. Yes, correct. Tasya Iva. Relation is there. Right. Okay. So this Iva Shabda Vati Pratyaya will come in this artha. Kriya Ched Vatihi and Tatra Tasya Iva. नियम 188 180 correct 180 180 very famous sutra very 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 common. One of the most common sutras and pratyas, especially for us who study Nyaya and Mimamsa and all these other granthas, especially Nyaya. Tasya bhavas tvatalau 51119. Tasya bhavas tvatalau. There are two things here. Tasya bhavaha. And then you have to say, so if we said Tasya bhavaha, how to split the rest of the sutra? In Tasya bhavas tvatalau, let's say Tasya bhavaha. Tvatalau. Tasya bhavaha tvatalau. No. So maybe. Let's see. Tasya bhavas tvatalau. Like nul trichau. Like Atishayane tamabishta nau. Two pratyayas are here. So is it two?
Tvat.
Twa and tal. Twa and tal.
Twa and tal is tvatalau. Tasya bhavaha.
Tasya bhavaha tvatalau. What it says is that you see dharma, dharmatvam, all those great Nyaya words that we have often, like pratiyogi, pratiyogita, that also, tasya bhavas tvatalau. Dravya, dravatvam, guna, gunatvam, paratvam, aparatvam, all the gunas that we have in Nyaya, like starting from after Sankhya Parimana, pritaktva, Sanyoga Bhaga, paratva, aparatva, gurutva, dravatva, that tva is there, that tva is this only, tva pratyaya, tasya bhavas tvatalau. And tal is like pratiyogita, ta. The difference is tva is pullinga and tal is strilinga. भाव हिंदी में पन, जैसे बचपन, like that. बचपन, और in for pa we can say like budapa, bachpan and budapa. That is a twa and tal, equivalent in Hindi. भावार्थ में शब्द के अंत में त्व और ता लगते हैं. त्व प्रत्यांत के रूप नपुंसकलिंग में ही चलेंगे गृहवत. ता प्रत्यांत के रूप रमा के तुल्य स्त्री, स्त्रीलिंग. हाँ, so नपुंसकलिंग rather than pullinga, नपुंसकलिंग is better. So twa and tal, two pratyas in one sutra, like all the other examples that we have been seeing. जैसे लघु लघुत्वम और लघुता, हल्का या छोटापन. गुरु से गुरुत्वम गुरुता, that is why gurutva is a guna in न्याय दर्शन, भारीपन. इसी प्रकार ब्राह्मणत्वम इत्यादि इत्यादि. दिस विद्वस, the one that who has vidvata, that is vidvatta, vidvatvam or vidvatta. Vidvatvam is tva pratyaya and vidvatta, tal, ta will be shesha. Like that, deenata, heenata, murkata, bhinnata, dushtata. You can have so many, hundreds, thousands of these words, because it denotes the dharma. So like anything will be that twa, like in Brahma Sutra also, and I mean nowadays in our Vedanta, in our texts especially, and also in Nyaya, sometimes twice it will come. Iti vattvam, like pratiyogi vattvam will be pratiyogi only. This vat and tvam, they are almost like opposites of each other in terms of prayoga. So say brahmanatva and brahmanavat. So both you add, they just cancel each other out.
Sorry, this is a bit tough for me here. I'm not.
No worries.
Though the words are very, obviously very familiar, but this vat and tvam, because we come across it very often.
Vat is similarity, likeness. Vat is going to be like.
Tulya, like we saw earlier. And
Tvam is the dharma of that. Ghata se dharmaha, ghatatvam.
Correct.
That's what it says. That is why in this, the best example for us is Nyaya, because we've been through Kiranavali and all that. There's so many words you've seen, like all this, Lagutva, Gurutva, Dravatva, etc., etc. So many. And Pratyogita. So either will be Tvam or Ta. Both denote that only. The Bhava. Bhava arth mein. For English, if you want to say,
it is ness. Ness, like
ness,
is a chota means small ness.
Correct. You can say that way, I guess. Yes, ness. Is ness. Small ness. Right.
Yeah, like that.
Yes. The fact that the bhava of it. But that way is okay. Lagutva, Gurutva. Such words, they are hard to sort of explain, because we sort of get the meaning from the word, but then it's like it's how riding a bicycle slow is more difficult than riding it faster once you know how to ride it. It's sort of like that.
Correct.
You have to go and look at the basic. Okay. But any other questions on these Vati and Vitva Tal? It is a very, very famous sutra. Obviously, high prayoga of this sutra. So many words will come with this. Ekashatam ashitihi. Ekashatam ekashitihi. 181. Guna vachana brahmanadibhyaha karmani cha. That is the complete sutra. Guna vachana brahmanadibhyaha karmani cha. 5.1, 124. So we saw 5.1, 115, 116, 119, now 124. Guna vachana brahmanadibhyaha karmani cha. It is effectively not apavada, it is like sort of an extension of the Purva Sutras. Gunavachak or Brahmanadi Shabda. So Gunavachak Shabda will be like all this Lagutva, Gurutva, Dravatva, whatever, Vidvatva, everything. And Brahmanadi. So Brahmanavat, Ramavat, Kshatriyavat, that way. All those Shabdon से भाव अर्थ में श्यय अर्थात य प्रत्यय, श्यय प्रत्यय, श्यय विल कम, अंत में लगता है. शब्द के प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि होती है और अंतिम अ का लोप, लाइक हाउ यू सेड इन अन एंड ऑल दैट. बट इफ यू सी द वर्ड इटसेल्फ विल बी इजी. शूर शौर्यम, शूरता. सुंदर सौंदर्यम. धीर धैर्यम. You see, they mean the same thing almost. The difference is the fact, the state of it, the nature of it. You can say that way, I guess. The nature of being sundara is called saundaryam. The nature of being sukha, the state of being happy. How do you say? Saukhyam. The state
one is noun, one is adjective, na?
Like that you can say. Correct. This is adjective.
Dhairyam is adjective.
Right, that way you can say. Dhira Purusha, Dhairya. Of course, Sundara is also adjective only, like Sundaram Asti and all that. The thing is here, the easy way to say is it is a state of being a certain way or a nature of being a certain way. A quality, that also may be an acceptable word. Like Saundaryam is this nature of being. The state of being Sundara is called Saundaryam. The state of being Sukha. I say, oh, Saukhyama, whatever. Saukhyamastiva. Are you happy or comfortable? Kavi Kavyam. Brahmana Brahmanyam. Vidagdha Vaidagdhyam. Vidvams Vaidushyam. Vidvas Vaidushyam. These kinds of pratyayas will make sense when we read in. We will feel like they make sense when we read in a book. Like how, in the beginning people say, like before we study Sanskrit like more systematically, we just say, I opened the book and I read the Bhashya and Tika and I understood a lot, These kinds of words we will be able to understand. But then when you know which pratyaya, which sandhi, which samasa, then you're able to understand how to split it, how to combine it. All those become very easy. But these words will make sense for us, like these kinds of pratyayas, twa, tal, vat, this shyai, etc. Any questions on these three niyamas?
No, I think we will learn more in the
Exercise, correct. Yes. The trick about this abhyasa, generally we are so used to words and pratyayas that change the meaning. The thing about this abhyasa is the meaning does not change so much. Of course it changes a little, but not as much as we are used to. Like nishtha pratyaya, when you put on pat, the lakara itself changes. Or that shatrishanish pratyaya, when you do, we say it is continuous, ing will come. But you cannot say something so unsubtle, so clear for this. This is more a subtle kind of pratyaya. कुछ शब्दों के अंत में शय अर्थात शय अर्थात या अप्रत्यय स्वार्थ में होते हैं. सो अप्रत्यय विल बी व्हाट? कैन यू गेस दिस? अन, सत्यम. सो अन और शय both will come, but अर्थात उसी अर्थ, it is the same artha. This kind of prayoga is where the meaning does not change. It is not a different meaning. Bandhu, Bandhava, both are same. Prajna, Prajna, same. Rakshas, Rakshas. Karuna, Karunyam. So the first three, Bandhu, Bandhavaha, Prajna, Prajnaha, Rakshas, Rakshasaha. These are all anpratyaya. This is exactly like Mathura se Mathuraya, or Panini Paniniya, that was cha, but some other examples they had given, like Rishi se Arsha, just the vriddhi happens. The first swara gets vriddhi.
Correct.
And then in the end it will become, there's some prasaranam or whatever other karya happens at the end. So bandhu se bandhava, prajna se prajna, rakshas se rakshas, in that way. So that is anpratyay. After that, what they have given from karuna is all shay pratyay. Karuna se karunyam. Same meaning. Karuna and karunyam both mean kindness only. Chaturvarna se chaturvarnyam. Sena sainyam. Sameep samipyam. Shiva ke Samipa, Shiva ke Samipya. They are the same. Triloka, Trilokyam. The meaning does not change. We'll see Artha.
Yeah. It's only...
Ankush,
Go ahead, Avati.
sure, thank you. So here they give what is the karya that is happening in the beginning, which is either guna or vriddhi. End में क्या हो रहा है? This is not very clear. Is it not clearly given or I don't understand it? Ya या end में आता है. Then every time there is a ma coming in, right? There is no mention of that in the rules. So how to understand this niyama?
So end
पहले वाले में भी ऐसा था ना, सौख्यम.
हाँ.
So sau you understand. Ya also they have mentioned, but the ma halant जो आ रहा है, there is no mention of that.
So this is, you have to take like this one, Tva pratyante ke रूप नपुंसकलिंग में ही चलेंगे. And then they said lagu se lagutvam. So that rule only you say, you take here also.
Tva got added, then the linga.
So tva, that is napumsakaling में चलेंगे, इसके लिए makara मतलब अनुस्वार है, in the end it comes lagutvam. But when we say, like, obviously if you want to put it in a samasa and all that, im will go away. Lagutva gurutva dravatva sneha shabda. That's how the nyaya gunas also go. Everywhere you will not have makara. And this saukyam, all of these, if you see, in the end ma is coming. Same for vaidushyam. So there tva and in, here ya and im for shay pratyaya. है ना, कारुण्यम, चातुर्वर्ण्यम, सैन्यम, etc. In general, the visarga or the akara or the im, which are or a or e, which are generally when they are indications of the linga, right? We don't have to pay super attention to that. What happens is the pratyaya karya will happen, and then based on the linga they will change. Like even the nishtha pratyaya, right? If you see nishtha pratyaya of pat dhatu, for example, they'll have in all three lingas. And we were seeing, let's just see pat dhatu, right? Pat dhatu, and then kridante. We see nishtha, all this, everything, not just nishtha, anything you say. Pum, Sri, Napum, whatever. They all have different rupas. Like that, here, everywhere it is going to be that Napumsakalinga Jaise Rupa, or if it is Tal Pratyaya, then Strilinga Rupa. I hope this is...
So, like, to remember, based on the form, based on the last part of the Shabda, which Pratyaya is it? Sometimes we have to look at the second last Akshara.
Correct. Yeah, you will have to take it as a second last akshara. Yeah.
Bhakti part.
Yes, right. I mean, see, the thing is that when it is in a prayoga, like all of these they are saying because they are going to use the same sentences in the abhyasa. They are going to say brahmanavat or brahmanatvam or dharmatvam or whatever. That is all going to come. Vidvatta in the next page, basically. When it comes in a sentence, then it's going to take a linga. Either pullinga or strilinga or napumsakalinga. But the pratyaya itself need not have linga. Like, nishtha pratyaya is what? Kta. Not ktam, not ktaha, not ktha. It is kta pratyaya. So the pratyaya name will not have it. But in the context of a sentence, it will take on a gender. Okay. And Sundarji, your question was?
I don't know, it is just a trivial thing, the words all make sense, but I'm still trying to get my tongue around this shai and khai, somewhere those new, they are tougher to say than the words themselves.
Yeah. It may help, just to go through the alphabet out loud, or even Maheshwara Sutrani. That may help.
Sure.
Just to say Maheshwara Sutrani, actually that may be even better, because then we sort of get abhyas of that also.
Of that also, yeah. Sure.
That would help, yeah. But make sure that it is sort of like singing, right? Do you say it once wrong and then every time it's wrong? So the first couple of times it has to be correct. Like especially the na, nya, nga, all those things.
Correct. That's it.
Niyama ekashatam. Acha, we finished this. Samipa samipyam we completed. New pratyaya, final pratyaya of this abhyasa, and this is a very interesting one. Ekashatam trayashitihi. Ekashatam trayashitihi, 183. Pritvadibhya imanichva. Which pratyaya is this? Any guesses?
Given at the top, Imanich.
It is given at the top.
Nich.
Imanich.
Imanich. Ja because of the sandhi.
Correct. Cha became ja in sutra because of sandhi. It is imanich pratyay. Pritvadibhya imanich va. कुछ शब्दों से भाव अर्थ में शब्द के अंत में इमन लगता है, ये भी भाव अर्थ है. So this is a good, this is sort of like that visarga sandhi, anuswara sandhi, but then in pratyay, कर्ता अर्थ में प्रत्यय, भाव अर्थ में प्रत्यय, like that there are differences. अंतिमा अक्षर या टी, व्यंजन सहित अंतिम स्वर. So this टी in व्याकरण, टी मतलब ये. Why this is important? Because there will be some in some sutras, the sutra will just say टी or tehe. There is a sutra called tehe. व्यंजन सहित अंतिम स्वर. व्यंजन सहित अंतिम स्वर. So like this ma, टी, in that way. That टी व्यंजन सहित अंतिम स्वर का लोप हो जाता है ईमन प्रत्यय में. This is a new thing. Until now the lopa has only happened for either the swara or some places the vyanjana, or sometimes lopa does not happen, only vriddhi or guna happens or samprasarana happens. But in imanich pratyaya we have not seen this so far. The vyanjana sahita antima swara will get lopa. Ru ko ar, ru ko ir rather, ru ko ir होता है. जैसे लघु लघिमा, all the अष्ट सिद्धि, अनिमा गरिमा महिमा लघिमा, everything, लघिमा लघुता. So this also is bhavartha, like twal or tatva or tal pratyaya, but it is imanich pratyaya because the shabda of course is different. Lagima, garima, mahima, madrima, anima, etc. And there's an interesting thing here that comes in the book but not in the PDF. In the book they have added one more sentence. राजन पुल्लिंग के तुल्य इमन प्रत्यांत के रूप चलावे. राजन शब्द came in our book, only we have seen in Apurva Abhyasa. Raja Rajano Rajanaha, king only. The shabda Raja is coming from there, Rajan. So all of these iman pratyas, imanich pratyas also will go like that. Mahima Mahimano Mahimanaha, Garima Garimano Garimanaha, etc. And there is an interesting point here. They say in the book, do you have this in the book? The last line of the book.
The last line is there, Rajan, in the book.
In that whatever, hard copy, paper copy, whatever. Rajan Pullinga ke tulya. Garima, Mahima, these are all Pullinga words. We name our children, the girl children, this sometimes, but they are Pullinga Shabdas.
Yeah, there is a talk by one of the Sanskrit scholars on this, but it is very hard, to know the name. Is it not right to name like that?
They say that it is not ideal, obviously, because it's a Pullinga Shabda that we name to a Strilinga person. That's what they say. Yeah. But I mean, modern, obviously in the time when all names were strictly Sanskrit, these should have been seen as highly Ashuddha, of course. But nowadays we have names that don't really mean anything also, just they sound nice and stuff. Those kinds of names are also around. So strictly speaking, yeah, it is not ideal to name the girl Garima.
Now it would be very odd to listen or to call somebody who's a male person to call them Garima.
Yeah.
Always seen Garima.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Exactly. So because of that, the way we see it is different. But from a Vyakarana standpoint, Garima and Mahima and all these are Pullinga Shabdas. Any questions on this? On any of these? So we have seen kitne pratyay? Vati, Twa, Tal, Shyai, a little bit of An also, and Imanich. 6 pratyayas today and 5 new. At least in Purva Abhyasa, when we saw 10 one day, there were a few repeats. Today are 6, 5 are new. And the 6th also we just saw two Abhyasas ago. So it's all pretty new. But the meaning is all same for almost all of them. It is all Bhavartha. Imanich is Bhavartha. Tvatal Bhavartha. Vati is Tulya, similarity. But others are all similar arthas. Shai Bhavartha. Okay. Any कोऽपि प्रश्नो अस्ति नास्ति चेत् वयं समाप्तं करिष्यामः. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. ॐ